So it's time to get all our elements together. I'm going to use the Freepik website, as you can see over here. It's www.freepik.com, and here you can get your images from. I'm going to take a look at pineapple. I would like to use a pineapple. Oh, got the caps lock on. Click on photos because we're not going to use any vectors today. And as you can see over here, there are different pineapples, but I would like to use this one actually. This one is quite funny with the sunglasses on. And click on free download. And again, and it should start automatically. Yes, there it goes. Tropical fruits is another one. Photos again. Let's scroll down. And I'm going to click on this one. I like the orange. I like the color. Click and click. And we go back. Maybe we'll find a couple of other things to add. Ooh, I actually like this one, the dragon fruit. It's beautifully pink with green on a white background. That actually is great because it's easier to cut out the image from the whole picture. So I'm going to take that one as well. Maybe a couple of leaves. Search. And photos again. Not exactly what I'm looking for. Oh, but this one is quite nice. I'm going to take that one. And what do we need more? We've got almost everything. I only would like to add some flowers and orchids. Orchids could be nice. We're going to go to photos. Ah, look here, the first one. Well, the second one actually. This one is perfect, free download. And yet again.